And now the second is how to adjusting the filling position. You need to, you see, this is filling cylinder down. This is in the manual format, right? This adjusting, break down the sealing and then adjusting the filling distance. Okay, and then lock. And then the next you will adjusting this part, the weighting come high or down. We were making for this cylinder, right? To close. Now it's closed now. And then place the ultrasonic cylinder. You open. For press this button. Ultrasonic cylinder. Okay, and then according the thumb size to adjusting this part. Okay. This is for control the ultrasonic for this. According your thumb height to adjusting.